Twins ba sila? Twins? Ayan, okay, let's go here. Daddy, you go to daddy, right? Okay, now, let's play the shopping game. Okay, shopping game. Ayan, shopping game. Simple lang to. Okay, so all you have to do is collect all these 7 items here on this paper. This is 7 items. Nandito lang po lahat siya. Okay? And then meron din special. They have only one special na nasa huli. Ayan. Okay, ayan. Okay, wait lang guys. Okay, so mommy and daddy. Okay, simple lang po. All you have to do is command all the kids. Okay, lahat po. Yes. Dito lang kayo mami. And then sasabihin nyo lang po kung ano mga dapat na kunin. Okay, sila po yung kukuha. Okay, then daddy, again, sila po yung kukuha. Sasabihin nila po kung ano yung mga dapat na unang kunin, third, fourth, and so on, etc. Okay? Now, in 3, 2, and start. Alright. And clear ko lang when you're finished. If you're finished, just say, Happy birthday, Raiden. If you're finished, just say, Happy birthday, Raiden. Alright. And put inside the shopping bag. Put inside the shopping bag. Make it fast, come on. Make it quickly, go. Make it quickly,
Ano pa,
go.
Sir? Ano pa? Ano pa?
Go.
Kay phone, kay ate. Ay, kay ate, Sir.
What happened? What happened? If you're dying, just say, Happy birthday, Raiden.
Ano kailangan?
Again,
Ano?
if you're
Peso bill.
finished, just say,
Naku.
Happy birthday, Raiden.
Peso bill, peso bill.
Ready? Go. Collect and collect. Find it and collect. Oh. Leave.
Michelle, si Mami.
You stay here. Stay here.
Mami. Peso, peso.
What happened? Yeah. Yeah. Tapos sino mo una? Si daddy or si mommy? Who will gonna be first? And who will gonna be win for this game? Mommy or daddy? Asa na? Asa na? For the win! For the win! Sige, sige, nakikita mo na! Nakikita mo na! Nakikita mo na! Ayan! Okay, now, sing!
Happy birthday, Raiden.
Ayan! Okay, nakita ko na yung last eh. Nakita ko na yung last. Sige, now, let's check. Check mo na natin. Daddy, nakumpleto ka, daddy? So, yung two years.
Sexy tita.
Sorry. Yung una, hindi nakita.
Sexy auntie, sexy auntie.
Guys. Dito, sir. Dito na. Daddy, okay, dito na. Okay, I'll move here. Sorry. Bigyan ko ng chance na daddy, ha? Bigyan ko ng chance na daddy for this game. Okay, guys, where is the 20? 20 reals. Ayan, give me the 20 reals. Okay. Then, where is the iPhone? Yung sabi ng daddy na last na lang. And then the peso bill. Okay, also the peso bill. And the belt. Okay. Lipstick of daddy. Oh, lipstick of your dad. Okay, very good. Invitation card. Okay, you have birthday gift. And of course, to complete your team, beautiful and sexy auntie, tita. Ayan, si tita. Ayan, siya yung nagpanalo dyan. Siya yung nagpanalo. Okay, so everybody just clap your hands for this team. So congratulations, daddy. Okay, now girls, get your prize here.